Hi everybody, this is Clara. Welcome to Meghna's Kitchen. Today let's make a special Andhra sweet recipe. It's called as Tokkudu Laddu or Bandar Laddu. Tokkudu literally means crushed. We are going to first shape the dough in the form of save and fry it and then crush it and sweeten this with some sugar setup. This one is very much similar to that of Besan Laddu. So you are using the same ingredients what you use for Besan Laddu, but we are doing it, entirely different passion. This one tastes yummy. I am telling you, it's juicy and it has some texture to it. It tastes lovely and incredible. Hope you all like it. First, let's see the ingredients and start the recipe. For making bandar laddu, here I am taking 1 cup of gram flour and 1 cup of sugar, ghee, salt to taste, little bit pinch of color. Let's start by making the dough. For the same, here in the middle size of bowl, I am going to add in the cup of gram flour, added salt, mix it nicely. We will add water gradually and make a nice sticky dough for this. This way you get nice soft saves. Mix it nicely. Perfect. This is the consistency. Keep it aside. As I mentioned, we are going to make the save. For that, you need to a save maker. It has 3 components. I am going to grease the cylindrical cavity with some oil. This helps in easier cleanup later. Drop in the perforated plate and make sure that it stays in place well. It should be sticky, as I mentioned, to get nice and soft save. The oil looks very hot. Carefully press in the save motion in circular motion into the oil. I'm going to fry this very slightly. You don't want to make them crispy. This takes about 2 minutes on each side as we have made sticky dough. It's not going to retain its shape, but that is okay. It's fine and it's not at all maintained to maintain the shape. Anyway, we are going to later grind them into a fine powder to make the laddus. So even though they break it, it doesn't matter. So look at them. They're just perfect. They're just done. Do not make them crispy, as I mentioned. We will now take them out from the oil. We will make another batch of save the same way, taking care not to make them crispy. I am done frying both the batches. While this is cooled down, let's start by making the sugar syrup. Here, switch on the stove and heat up the pan. I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar and will add half cup of water. Allow it to melt. You're not cooking for any thread consistency here. You want to be sugar to be well dissolved, and when you touch the mixture in between your fingers, it should be just sticky. No thread should be seen. That is very crucial. That mixture has started to boil. Added half tablespoon of cardamom powder. Sugar is nicely dissolved. It feels sticky. I'm going to turn off the heat. Take it off from the flame. Now you have to blend this save. As you can see, it's not at all crispy. It is soft. This is exactly how you want it. I'm going to crush it and blend it to a coarse powder. Should be coarse. So this should be the texture. It's coarse. Not very fine powder. And now I'm going to do the next batch the same way. Look at this perfectly. This is exactly I want it. So now that we have besan mixture ready and sugar syrup is also ready, let's combine this together. We will add in the mixture and we are going to cook it again. So this makes these laddus super moist. So continue to cook it until the mixture leaves the side of the pan. Keep it stirring. Don't let the mixture get burned. Make sure you are cooking on medium flame. There has a beautiful texture. It's not like a pastry, it gives you a nice texture to the laddus. This is the way I am going to cook it. At this point of time, I'll be adding some of ghee into this. I'm going to add gradually. It adds a lovely flavor. So now look at this. It has started to leave the sides of the pan. Look at this. I used exactly 2 tablespoons of ghee and has started to leave it the sides of the pan. It is not at all sticking to the pan. Do not overcook it. It is still nice and moist. This is exactly how I want it. If you overcook it, you get dry laddus. I want nice and moist laddus. Once it is cooled down, it is going to be thick. So this is perfect. Turn off the heat. We'll leave the mixture to cool down. We will start shaping into laddus. This mixture is still warm. This is a perfect time to make laddus. We will add another tablespoon of ghee. The mixture looks dry, so I'm using some ghee. I'm going to shape into laddus. You can choose as your own size here. Just roll in your palm like that to give you a nice shape. Look at that, perfect to me. These laddus are very moist. Guys, try this laddus recipe. I'm sure you love it. For more such yummy recipes, get subscribed to Meghna's Kitchen. I'll see you again with my new recipe. Please do subscribe. Click on the like button. Comment, share to your friends. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.